Let's see another question that are asked in interviews where we have define a variable to a function and console this result. So in this particular program we have defined an anonymous function. Just after the definition of function we have passed 5 and the variable result we have consoled. Let's run this program and see what will be the output of this program is 25. And why is that so? Because we have initialized the function and passed the parameter 5, and in this function we have multiplied the parameter with 5 and return it, and this returned value is stored in this result. And this kind of function or pattern code is called as immediately invoked function expressions. In our next video we will talk about what is immediately invoked functions. Now let's talk about immediately invoked function expressions. It is a common JavaScript pattern that encapsulates code within a function and execute it immediately. So what that means, we can define a function in a bracket, and after defining the function we can call that function. From this kind of expression we can achieve encapsulation. What that encapsulation means, like it is a way to hide our variable from other codes or other expressions from global accessing. Now let's see the basic examples of immediately invoked function, like basic, passing an argument, isolating variables, and creating private variable. This is our basic immediately invoked function, where we have defined a function like this, and just after the definition we can call this function. So let's run this function. Node basic.js. So this will be the output. Why? Because we have console this here. So another one is passing argument. So if we see that we have defined a function which takes two parameters a and b and returning the sum of these two parameters, and the result of this function is stored in this variable, and just after the definition of the function we have called the function by 5 and 10, and the output will be 5 plus 10 is 15. Let's run this code also. .js. The output is 15. And another example is isolating variables. So like we have a variable, local variable in here. I am a local variable, and another and we are consoling this variable into the function itself, and after that outside that function definition, if we check local var, the output will be undefined. So let's check this also. Node isv.js. See here the variable assigned value of the variable is printed. In the next part it is undefined. So now let's try another one. It's a creating a private variable. So in this case we have defined a immediately invoked function here, and we have defined a variable called count, and we return two functions where in each of the function we have incremented the value of count. In other function we get the value of count. So by this help we can use increment. The value of that count is increased by 1, and in the second one it will get the out count value. So we have incremented the value of count by 2, here by 1, here by 1, the output will be 2. So let's run this code. Node cpv.js, and the output is 2. So that's all for this lecture, and I hope you have understood what is IIFE or immediately invoked function. You can implement in your codes. As you can see in jQueries you will find that kind of pattern, or in many libraries you will find this kind of pattern. So bye bye.